Hidden cost and regulation. Here's the thing, most property investors get caught out, not by the purchase price, but it's by the hidden costs, things like regulations that comes after the deal. So let's break it down. First, it's licensing. If you're doing an HMO or things like serviced accommodation, you may need a license. That's an extra fee, paperwork, and compliance checks. Miss it, and you could face fines or even closures. Second, compliance. Things like fire doors, alarm systems, health and safety standards. These are certainly not optional. They are an absolute legal requirement. And trust me, upgrading your property after the fact could cost you more than planning for it up front. Third, tax. Whether it's stamp duty or Section 24 or mortgage relief changes or capital gains tax. This can all eat into your profits if you don't factor them in properly from the very beginning. And finally, EPC upgrades. Minimum energy standards are tightening. If your property is below the required ratings, you could be blocked from letting it out until you've upgraded it. And that could mean new installation, new heating systems, or even new windows throughout the property. This is why in the Property Deal Finder's Handbook, especially in the section on due diligence and deal analysis, I go into detail about these hidden costs, because the truth is, a deal that looks great on paper can turn into an absolute financial nightmare if you don't do your accounts from the very beginning. So before you get carried away with the numbers, double check the hidden cost. It's the difference between a deal that pays you and a deal that bleeds you dry.